Hello class. Once again a very good morning to everyone. How are you all? I hope you are fine and doing great at your homes. You are seeing a new topic today. Comprehension. Comprehension. You might be confused little bit that what is it, what ma'am is going to teach. Don't be confused. It is a very interesting topic. I know once you get to understood what it is, you will love it to do it. Clear? So let me tell you what is comprehension. So children, listen carefully. Comprehension is a given text in which we understand the spoken or written language. We have to, if comprehension can be vocal also and written also. We can just say it also and we can just write it also. So I am doing the written part. Okay, it is a type of unseen passage in which you have to just read the sentences. In this you must know the reading, then only you can solve this. You have to know the reading, you have to know the meanings of the words, then only you can answer the questions. If you won't understand what the question is saying, how you will do it? So make a habit of reading at your homes. One paragraph one day, make a habit. Just read it in front of your parents. It will help you a lot. Clear? So today we are going to learn how to solve the comprehension. Okay, in this one passage will be given to you. In that passage, under that passage, by reading that, you will get to know some story, and after that some questions are given below that you have to answer it. Clear everyone? Now let me do it for you. One day the deer saw a new fruit. Okay, now here it is telling, one day a deer saw a new fruit. They were yellow mangoes. The tree across the river were full of yellow ripe mangoes. Okay, which new fruit the deer saw? It was yellow mangoes, which was the tree was across the river full of yellow ripe mangoes. He wanted to eat the mangoes. Okay, the deer wanted to eat the mangoes. He went to the river bank to see how to cross it. Okay, the mango tree was this side of the river and the deer was this side of the river. So he have to cross the river, na? So he came at the bank of the river to see how to cross it. Oh no, there was no bridge. Now there was no bridge to cross it. There was only the water, a big river. Nothing was there to cross it. And if he swam, the crocodiles in the river would eat him up. And if he tries to swim and go on that side of the river, the river contains lots of crocodile and they will eat him. Clear? So this is the story. This is the full story. Now in this what we have learned, we have seen that there is one deer, okay, who sees a mango on that side of the river and he wanted to eat it. So he come across the river to go to that side of the river, but there was no bridge to cross. So he just thought that if he swim and go, then the crocodile will eat him. Now based on this thing, we have to answer some questions. Let us see what is. Answer these questions. What was the new fruit that the deer saw? Now what was the fruit? Very good, it was mangoes. Clear? Mangoes was the fruit which the deer saw. Where were the mangoes tree? Where was the mango tree? Across the river. The tree was across the river. See. Where did the deer go to see how to cross the river? Now, where he go to see? To cross the river, he went to the river bank to see how to cross it. See, here is the answer. You can underline like this, na? He went to the river bank. Clear? What animals were the river? Means what was the animal in the river? Which animal? Crocodiles. So in this way you have to answer by seeing this para. The questions comes from this para only, this unseen passage only, and from here you have to find the answer, and then you have to, for this you know how to read it. Yes, so you know the reading, you should know the meaning. What does the question is telling? So make a habit, children, to read at least one para in your home. Clear everyone? Okay, I'll give you another comprehension to solve. Just do it in your English copy, and if you have any doubts regarding this, please ask me. Don't hesitate to ask, and do it seriously. Okay, this will come in your exam. Clear? That's why I'm teaching it you very first itself, so that you could go thorough it. Clear? And do it nicely. Okay, thank you for listening me. Okay, have a wonderful day.